Welcome to part 10 of my video series on workshop techniques. This short video shows how to time horizontal steam engines. For this video I used a Reeves Unicorn engine that I am currently restoring. I'll put a link to the video series on the restoration in the description below. I start the timing process with the steam chest cover off the steam chest and the steam chest held in place with two nuts as shown in this photo. The first step in the timing process is to get the slide valve centered on the port face of the steam chest so that the ports are equally exposed at each end of the piston stroke. This is accomplished by turning the valve rod so the slide valve nut moves left or right depending on which way the valve needs to move. You can see in this clip that the port on the left is exposed, however the port on the right remains covered at the end of the piston stroke. After some adjustment, the valve now exposes the ports equally at each end of its stroke, as shown in this clip. A good guide as to whether the position of the slide valve is equal at both ends of its travel is to look at the position of the eccentric. With the slide valve in mid-travel, the eccentric should be vertical as shown in this photo. After adjusting the slide valve, I install the steam chest cover. This clip shows me tightening the nuts that hold the steam chest cover onto the steam chest. This clip shows me installing a nozzle so that I can attach an air line to the engine. Next, I take the engine over to the air supply and connect it up to an air line. I adjust the eccentric so that it's 90 degrees to the crank web. That is a good starting point for timing the engine. I then loosen the grub screw, hold the eccentric in place with the hex key, and turn the flywheel until I hear the valve admitting air into the cylinder. I adjust the position of the flywheel so that air is admitted just before top dead center. This helps cushion the piston as it goes over top dead center. It can take a while to adjust the timing properly, but once it's set, the engine will run. This clip shows the engine running just after timing it. At this point, I turn the air pressure down and run the engine in. I'll leave this video here as timing of the engine is complete. So, that's the video on timing horizontal steam engines complete. I hope you can use the techniques shown in your model engineering projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.